Hey everyone, it's Joe and
Michael
from Bullion Now, bullionnow.com.au, selling you the best bullion bars and coins shipped to you worldwide from Melbourne. Get that out of the way. I feel like we need some kind of Smithy's Corner jingle. I'm going to have to come up with one,
It's all yours, mate. I'm not
to sing it. You're not getting it today. I'll try next time. Sure.
All right.
You get
Sounds like a plan.
Lovely vocal cords. What are we doing?
We are doing a Smithy's Corner. We're doing a Smithy's Corner. So for anyone who didn't see our last video, Smithy is a craftsman up in Sydney that works with silver and produces some incredibly amazing quality stuff.
Absolutely.
It's not a bar of silver. It is a piece of artwork, effectively.
Yeah.
And we're very fortunate in that Smithy's allowed us to highlight some of his stuff.
Yep.
And in fact, Smithy's, I believe, Smithy's going to supply us with some stuff through us on a permanent basis. So we have actually set up a little bit in the store for a Smithy's Corner. And we're selling things through that. So we just thought once a week we'd highlight some of his work. We've got some of his original work here.
Yep.
We've got some of his other work, and we've got some of his newer work also arriving in the not too distant future.
Fantastic.
But you need to be aware that it's not all, you're not going to get it at spot or anything like that. It's not a bar price.
No.
It is more expensive. You're looking at 40% above spot because it's handcrafted silver, and you'll see why in a moment.
For that stuff? Maybe not for that stuff.
Maybe not. There's some of his original stuff, which is a bit more of his practice stuff, and I'm literally just fishing things out of his box.
Yep.
So you'll see as he starts out, he goes from some more basic stuff to...
So this is his original work,
This is the original work. Right. This is actually my favourite stuff because you see the rawness of it all.
Yeah, I love it. That 10 ounce.
We had one that, if you go back to the previous video, we had what we call the muffin top, because you're seeing the rawness of it being poured, and you get...
Look at the two and the swirling. And
I was just going to say, you get this swirling. I was going to highlight it on the 10 because it's a bit bigger.
Look at that.
But you get some amazing swirling in it. But that's his original stuff.
Right. And this is your more... We'll come back to that in a sec. Oh, we'll do it now. Let's do it now.
So you've got some of his stuff, and this one actually jumped out at me. This is his Alien Predator, which I just thought was brilliant.
That is so cool.
Comes with a certificate.
Yep.
So you can see there, it's a three-dimensional pour.
That is so cool. So this is the newer stuff that's coming out from Smithy at the moment.
Yeah.
Which will be at your sort of spot plus 40%, inclusive of GST, right?
Plus GST.
Plus GST,
Plus
right?
GST on there.
Okay, so...
And yes, it does incur GST because it's not a bullion bar.
Right.
It is a hand-poured, handcrafted production item. So the tax office says, no, this incurs GST.
Absolutely.
So out of our control, that one.
But again, this sort of newer stuff that Smithy's doing is going to be that spot plus 40 plus GST.
Yeah.
Got it.
So you're seeing 40%. There it's 1.7 ounces stamped on there. FS means fine silver.
Yep.
And then it's troy ounce, and then Smithy's Bullion.
And let's just look at that, the other side again. The actual Alien Predator side. All rights reserved to the actual, I don't know, copyright owner. Like James Cameron, I guess, probably. That's very, very, very cool. Imagine owning that. That's for all the... Particularly if you know that kind of predator nerd, I guess if you want to call it. That is cool.
So there's that one. The other one we're going to highlight today, and we've got a few in. Sorry,
can I have a look at that?
Absolutely.
Is that the accompanying certificate?
That is the accompanying certificate. I think there's two there, certificates because I'm in gloves.
Yep. Beautiful. Smithy's Bullion 999 silver. There's the Alien Predator certificate number 2. Fantastic. So you'll get that with the Predator purchase.
You will.
Yep.
So I'll put that to the side, and then the other one is this one, and this is funky as.
Yeah.
So it's a fairly base design, although you can see the swirling, and I love the swirling in it. But he's got this, what would you call it, spider web?
Yeah, I call it like tortoiseshell.
Yeah, tortoiseshell kind of activity going on around the sides. And,
I love what he's done. He's looks like he's made it naturally oxidise.
Yeah.
Or he's used some sort of thing that makes it oxidise quicker. And that's why you're getting that that dark...
Antiquing.
Yeah, antiquing, yeah.
So you can see there the stamps, that's 3 troy ounces.
Yep.
Smithy's Bullion, and then if I go over one of the other sides, it's serial number 8.
Very cool indeed.
So...
And the bubbling on the bottom, I just love all that. That's so cool.
And then that's actually its certificate there. So it comes with its certificate as well.
Okay.
So that's the sort of stuff we're highlighting in Smithy's Corner.
Yep.
We'll do it every week.
Right.
Or every week or so.
Yep.
But the way to buy it is to drop into the store and have a look through the box if you want,
Right.
or through Smithy's Corner, which is where we'll have the other stuff displayed.
Okay.
Have a talk to Ruben or Brett about it, and they'll guide you in the pricing of individual pieces.
What's that? Can you grab that? Can you grab that
Which
one?
one are we talking about?
I think it's, is that an upside down 7 right there?
This one?
No,
or
there. Yeah,
oh,
what's
the
that?
Kit Kat bar.
See, that's I love the fact that he's doing odd weighted, not odd weighted. They're you know what I mean.
Yeah.
They're
You
whole,
don't get 7-ounce
you don't get
bars.
7-ounce bars. That is so cool.
Yeah.
And the swirling on that's really nice too. Look at it. And
Just-
bubbling on the back.
Yeah.
Smithy's Bullion. Okay, so let's delineate between the two here. We've got, this is Smithy's old stuff, original stuff.
Yep.
Okay. Excuse me. So what kind of, are we talking same price as the newer stuff?
No, you're probably going to find it a little bit cheaper
Okay.
as original stuff.
Yep.
Only for now, only because I've got a bit of it in.
Yeah.
Normally it would be as much, if not more.
Oh, wow.
So yeah, so grab that while you can if you're interested in these classic hand poured bars.
Sure.
And then we'll have more of his newer stuff coming through.
Okay.
So drop into the store, have a look, talk to Ruben or Brett about it. They'll show you what we've got available up in the Smithy's Corner display.
Yep.
You can, if you see something on this video or any of the videos that we show through and you go, actually I'd really like that and I can't make it into store, feel free to drop us a line, 1300 84 84 10, or send us an email, sales@bullionnow.com.au. We're not going to send out, 15 different photos and all this sort of stuff. But if you say, look, I really want the Predator,
Yeah.
or I really want that 7-ounce Kit Kat bar,
Yep.
then we can facilitate that, assuming
Sure.
it hasn't already been sold.
Yes, we're not going to take individual photos of everything in that box and then send you a list of stuff. Yeah.
And it won't be online because it's too hard. A lot of these are one-offs. I know this one's serial number 2, but there's probably only 2 there. And to be honest, to pay someone to take the photos, list it up online, create a listing, deal with it, it just makes a massive loss. So,
in-store, phone or email only.
Exactly.
Yep, fair enough. Cool. All right, that is Smithy's Corner. Beautiful. We will do another one hopefully next week when we get some more of Smithy's stuff in.
You will.
Like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. And as always, it's just one of those days, mate.
Yes.
Like, share, subscribe, as I said. And that's it from me.
And from me too.
We'll see you soon.
See ya.